Hi guys! In this video we're going to be looking at Roman numerals. So let's get started. With Roman numerals there is a golden rule, and that rule is you can't have more than 3 symbols in a row. Keep that in mind as we go through this. I'm going to show you the really important Roman numerals first. So 1 is I, 5 is V, 10 is X, 50 is L, 100 is C, 500 is D, and 1000 is M. They're the really important letters, and that's only because all the other letters are made, or all the other numbers are made from these core numbers or letters. So we've got 1, 10, 100, 5, 50, 500, and 1000. Okay, so 2 is 2 ones, so it's I. 20 is 2 tens, so it's X. 10 plus 10 is 20. And using that same logic, 200 is CC. Now again, we've got 1, 2, 3. 3 is 3 ones, I. So 30 would be 3 tens, X. And 300, 3 C's, 300. Now remember our golden rule was we can't have more than 3 symbols in a row. So we can't have 4 I's. But we do know that 4 is 1 less than 5. So 1 and 5. 1 less than 5. By that same logic, 40 is 10 less than 50. So 40 would be XL. And again, using that same logic, 400 is 100 less than 500. So it's CD. Now we've got 5, 50, 500. Let's move on to our sixes. 6 is 5 plus 1, so it's VI. Using that same logic, 60 is 50 plus 10, so it's LX. And 600 is 500 plus 100, so it's DC. Now 7 is 5 plus 2. So we know 5 is V. We know that 2 is 2 I's. So 7 is VII. By that same logic, we know 50 and we know 20. So 70 is 50 plus 20. 700 similarly, 500 plus 200. So D is 500 plus 200, CC. 8 is 5 plus 3, so there's my 5, plus 3. 80 similarly is 50 plus 30, so 50 and 30. So L for 50, XXX for 30. 800, same thing, 500 plus 300. So 500 is D, 300 CCC. Now the 9 gets tricky because remember we can only have 3 symbols in a row. So we can't have 4, which means 9 is going to be 1 less than 10. So we write 1 and 10, IX. Similarly, 90 is 10 less than 100. So XC. And 900 is 100 less than 1000. So it would be CM. Okay, let's go through some examples of how to actually put it all together and make some new numbers. So I've got 38 here. 38 is made up of 30 plus 8. Well, I know how to write 30. X V, I. 38. With Roman numerals, you actually have to break up the numbers into your hundreds, tens, and your ones when you're writing it. So you can't do, for example, I have actually seen my students do 99, where they wrote 99 is 1 less than 100. No, you can't do that. 99 would be 90 plus 9. Okay, let's go through your next example, 120. So 120, remember we break it up into our place values. So 100 plus 20. 100 is C, 20 is XX. Our next example, 609. So that's 600 plus 9. 600 is here. So that's DC. And 9, we can see that there, is IV. So IX. So 609. And we're done. Hopefully that has been pretty clear for you. And thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.